Hi guys, this is Srinivas Rajnikant. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my tutorial. In this video I am going to show you about how to create Google Ads account in 2026. Let's jump into the video. So now I am creating Google Ads account. Click on Google Ads. You will see this page. Just click on create your first campaign. Then afterwards give your business name. I am giving my business name. Okay, now I want to give my website URL. So this is my website URL. I am pasting it here. Then afterwards clicking on next. So automatically it's taking some information, okay, according to my website. Then click on next. Just I am clicking on skip button, and there are a lot of information. Choose your goal for this campaign. So this is also I am skipping. Then afterwards I am skipping this also. Leave campaign creation. Then you need to enter your billing country. So my billing country is India. You can change it here. Then afterwards time zone, currency, click on continue. Okay, now here payment profile. So it's not an organization. Presently I am running it as an individual, so automatically it's taking my legal name, okay, and address. Then afterwards clicking on create. So add payment method. So add credit or debit card, pay by UPI plus QR code, pay with net banking. You can choose any other, but I am choosing this one, pay with bank transfer. Then I am clicking on this, I agree to the Google terms, and I was choosing this, no. Then clicking on submit. Okay, so it's asking save this page for reference, so I don't want anything now. Just clicking on complete. Your account was created. Okay, then clicking on continue. Is your organization an advertising agency? No. Then who pays for your ads? Yes, we pay Google Ads directly, or no, agency pays. No, I am paying directly. So save and continue. Okay, so guys, successfully Google Ads account is created. I hope you like this video. In this way you need to create the Google Ads account in 2026, and if you really like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.